Welcome to another part of our CSS tutorial. In this part, I will go over the transition properties. With the transition properties, you can change the properties values a little more smoothly. Over here, I have a box on the right hand side to which when I hover over it rotates 45 degrees. So to apply a transition, you can write transition dash property. This property expects you to write a property to which you want to apply the transition to. So I'll write transform, and then I'll write transition dash duration. This will be how long you want the transition to last. So if I write 2s, it'll last for 2 seconds. So if I save and refresh, now when I hover over the box, it should slowly rotate, as you see here, and when I hover out of it, it'll rotate it back, as you see here. Now if I had made this like 10s, then it'll take 10 seconds. As you see here, it's very slowly rotating, and then it rotates back. Now you can also use a shorthand property, which is just a transition, and for this you can write the property that you want the transition to occur. So I'll write transform and then space how long you want it. So if I write 3s for 3 seconds, so then I don't need these two properties, so I'll just remove them and save. It should do the same thing as before for 3 seconds. So if I refresh, seems I misspelled transition here. So if I save and refresh, as you see, it rotates smoothly and then rotates back. You can also delay the transition by using the transition dash delay property. So if I write 2s for this will delay the transition for 2 seconds and then it will begin. So if I save and refresh and then hover over, as you see, it rotated after 2 seconds, and when I hover out, it rotates back after 2 seconds as well. You can also use this in the shorthand property. It will be the third argument. So after the duration, you write the delay. So if I write 2s here, and then if I remove this will do the same effect. If I save and refresh, as you see here. You can also specify multiple transitions separated by a comma. So let's say if I write height property here and increase its height to 150 pixels, and then I can write a comma here, and I'll go to the next line and then write height here, and then this will last for 3 seconds as well. So if I save and refresh, it will rotate and also increase the height in 3 seconds, as you see here. Since I had the 2-second delay, it waited 2 seconds for the rotate. You can also add the delay to the height. Let's say if I add 1 second and refresh, it wait a second, increase the height and rotate. So this is it for transition properties. If you have any questions, leave a comment and remember to subscribe. Thank you.